What's going on, people? We're in the middle of the blizzard of 2017, tri-state area. The snow is much lighter right about now. It was worse in the morning. Snowflakes about the size of 50-piece quarters. So let's take a look at the flaky destruction. It's about a good foot of snow out here right now. Streets are unplowed. Nobody's really out here. The driveways aren't even cleaned yet. People are pretty much inside. But the snow is still coming down. Pretty heavy right now. Whew. It is beautiful out here though. Blizzard of 2017. Supposedly it's not supposed to stop until about, well, tomorrow. So could probably get another 6 inches to a foot maybe. Whew. Yeah, I'm the only one out here though. You know it's real when you got the snow beard. Snow beard popping. See the clouds in the distance. And the homeowners in the street right now. This is what the snow is looking like. This is in the middle of the street. So you can get an idea. In the middle of the street. Take a little walk. That's the deep, as you can see. That is going to be crazy. I got snow all in my boots right now. Whew. Whew. Yeah, this is pretty deep. This has been untouched. Whew.